Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the secondary dual water valve in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Depress the water filter cover to release it, then rotate the filter counterclockwise to remove. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the water reservoir access panel. Pull the panel down, using a flathead screwdriver to help detach the mounting posts. Disconnect the LED light wire connector and set the panel aside. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry off the 2 waterline retainers. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to depress the retaining rings to release the 2 water lines from the valve ports. Detach the valve from the reservoir housing, then disconnect the wire connectors, along with the grounding wire. Depress the retaining ring to release the old valve from the reservoir water line. You're now ready to install the new secondary dual water valve. Insert the reservoir water line into the appropriate valve port until fully seated. Connect the wire connectors to the solenoid terminals. Connect the grounding wire as well. Snap the valve into place in the reservoir housing. Fully insert the 2 water lines into the valve ports. Replace the retainers. Reinstall the water reservoir access panel by first connecting the LED light wire connector. Insert the 3 tabs at the back into the slots, then snap the mounting posts into place. Rethread the screws. Reinstall the water filter and close the cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.